Mnangagwa, who took power after a military coup in 2017, has been a key figure in Zimbabwean politics. Recently, he hinted at extending his stay in office beyond the constitutional two-term limit. This move, naturally, stirred up a lot of debate and controversy. Zimbabwe's constitution is pretty clear. Presidents can only serve 2 5-year terms. Mnangagwa's current term ends in 2027, and any attempt to go beyond that would require constitutional changes, and that's exactly what Mnangagwa was aiming for. He proposed amendments that, among other things, would shift key electoral responsibilities from the independent Zimbabwe Electoral Commission to government departments. Critics jumped in, calling this a blatant attempt to manipulate the system in his favor. They argued that such changes could compromise the impartiality of the electoral process and solidify authoritarianism. Adding fuel to the fire, Mnangagwa faced stiff opposition from within his own party and the military. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga opposed Mnangagwa's third-term bid. This internal power struggle highlighted the deep divisions within Zimbabwe's political landscape. Chiwenga, with the backing of the military, managed to thwart Mnangagwa's ambitions. This intervention forced Mnangagwa to publicly deny any intentions of violating the constitution. He insisted that he's committed to democratic principles and the rule of law. However, doubts remained. Mnangagwa's past actions have raised eyebrows. He's been accused of employing tactics similar to his predecessor, Robert Mugabe, to retain power. These accusations have only added to the concerns about Zimbabwe's democratic future. Despite the controversy, Mnangagwa reaffirmed his commitment to constitutional term limits. He stated that neither he nor his party ZANU-PF had any plans to extend his rule beyond the 2-term limit. But actions speak louder than words, right? The recent by-elections saw ZANU-PF secure a 2/3 majority in parliament. This development fueled fears about potential constitutional amendments aimed at extending Mnangagwa's rule. However, Mnangagwa's public affirmation to adhere to term limits offered some reassurance. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.